Hi guys, this is Jude from EasyTechs. In this quick tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how you can significantly improve your RAM speed in Windows by using virtual memory, be it Windows 10, 8 or 7. This of course implies improving the speed and performance of your computer as well. The term virtual memory here means a user-defined part of the hard disk that is set to support the actual RAM and hence enables you to run more programs faster and smoothly. Quite naturally, this improvement in performance becomes more significant when using an SSD compared to the traditional mechanical hard drives. So a typical use case for the settings in this video would be when running on say a 2 GB of RAM and an SSD. Then using a virtual memory to supplement your RAM would definitely lead to significant performance improvement when running several programs at the same time. But even if you are not using an SSD, this can still improve your system performance when running on low RAM spec. And without further ado, let's get right into the process. So first, you need to check the actual RAM size you have installed on your PC. There are several ways to do that, but going through the control panel page gives you direct access to the settings we need to increase the size of the virtual memory. So go to your search and type control panel and then click on the control panel app from the search results. On the control panel page where it says view by, use the drop down to change it from category to large icons. Then on the page that appears, search for system and click on it. You should see a page like this which shows some basic information about your PC, and here you can see I have a 4 GB of RAM installed on this PC. So to double up on this capacity using the virtual memory, I'll click on the advanced system settings from the left pane here, and the system properties page should pop up. Here click on the advanced tab. Under performance, you see where it says virtual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage and virtual memory. Here click on settings. Again click on the advanced tab, and below the page you should see where it says virtual memory. Here it explains a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM, so here click on change. Then on the page that follows, click to uncheck the automatically manage paging file size for all drives. By default, your C drive is selected as the drive of choice from where to create the virtual memory. So here, as you can see, Windows recommends about 1.4 GB virtual memory, but I only have 0.7 GB currently allocated. To change this, I will click on the custom size option and set the maximum size to 2 times the size of the installed memory. Of course, you can also set this to the same size as the installed memory if you wish. So here I have a 4 GB installed memory, so I will set mine to 8 GB. But to get the exact size in megabyte, I will multiply 8 by 1024 since there are 1024 megabyte in 1 GB. So I will have 8192 megabyte. Now I will enter the initial size, which in my case is 704, and then the maximum size, which is 8192. Then click on the set button to the right. Click on OK. It then tells me that I have to restart before the changes take effect. Click on OK here. Then apply. OK and OK again, and here you can choose to restart now or later. I will restart later. You can restart now if you have all your works already saved. And that completes the session. Hope this was able to help you out. Leave us a like if you found it useful, and if you are yet to subscribe, hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon for notification on future tech support videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.